Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this awesome folding EDC knife from Civivi. This is the Voidflare. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Civivi and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Civivi for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. And now with the blade open, let's take a rough measurement with the blade closed. Looks like we got just about 4¼ inches overall length. And now with the blade open, looks like we got just about 7 1/8. Here is a look at them vertically next to each other. And with the blade open, let's have a look down on the top of the knife here, just so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. So here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side, and it looks to be just about the same thickness as that. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade over in the thumb ramp area, and it looks to be just a smidge thicker than a US nickel. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be carrying around. Coming in at 2.9 ounces. That's pretty light. And just in case you're wondering what 2.9 ounces might feel like, well, if you got some AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 3 of those. Voidflare is going to be available in 4 different colors. There's a black G10 with gold liners and a black stonewash finish. Then there's a whitish grayish resin with fish scale patterns. That one has a satin finish blade. And then there's a G10 with copper foil. That one has a black stonewash finish. And then there's this beauty right here. Let's have a look at your opening mechanism. This is a flipper lever. That's what this little fin here is on the top. Little bit of a curvature here for your finger to sit into and some jimping to give you a little bit more grip. And all you gotta do, pull it back. And like most flipper lever knives, when you pull back on the lever, it's gonna swing around to the bottom and act as a finger guard. Let's have a look at your locking mechanism. This is a liner lock. You can see right here, the liner has this arm. When the blade opens up all the way, it's gonna swing over and lock into the base of the blade. The opening action on this knife is smooth and quiet. The blade is pivoting on a caged ceramic ball bearing system. To release the blade, all you got to do is push it on the side and close it up. Let's have a look up front at the blade, starting off over in the thumb ramp area. There is a closer look at your jimping. I'm going to tip this sideways just so you can see how aggressive that is. Nice and flush with the frame. Nice feeling. Beautiful example of a traditional drop point blade. Starts off nice and thick and keeps that thickness pretty much all the way down to the tip. 2 fullers cut out on both sides. Look at how the Damascus pattern just sits down in there. And this is actual Damascus steel. It's not just lasered on there. Gonna give you guys a nice close-up of the flipper lever, and we can see the Damascus pattern actually extends out to that. That's a nice touch. Super quick, guys, if you haven't heard of Damascus steel or what's known as pattern welded steel, here's a quick explanation. Let's pretend that these 2 stacks on the outside are different types of steel, and the middle is going to be the billet that we're building, and we're going to alternate this with different types of steel how we want it, and that's going to affect the actual pattern on the steel. So when you get them all together like this, arrange in a pattern that you like, you're going to clean it up, weld the sides, start forging it, and that's what's going to affect the pattern on the blade. Got a big old sharpening choil right down here that's going to make it easy to sharpen the entirety of this blade all the way from the tip down to the heel. And we do have a hollow grind, meaning that it is curved right in here. And that's going to make for a real nice slicey knife. Let's have a look down in the handle here to have a look at the liners. Okay, full stainless liners, and we can see on this side, we've got these circles cut out. We've got some skeletonization to save on weight. Gonna bring you guys in nice and close so you can check out these gorgeous G10 aluminum foil scales. Look at how that picks up the light. Man, that matches the Damascus steel. Look at that. What a great combination. You can see here how the G10's just stacked up. And they've milled a groove in here. You can see that there too. What a stunner. Look at that. The grip dynamics on this knife are fantastic. Well balanced. The blade isn't too heavy. The handle does taper down. Starts off thick here. Gets a little bit smaller toward the rear. Pretty neutral though. Just a small curvature here. Single finger choil up front. So you got one up front and three in the back. But well balanced. Let's have a look at the rear of the knife. Right, just got some standoffs back here. Lanyard hole in the back. Here is a closer look at your pocket clip. It's going to be deep carry. And this will be tip-up carry only. Here's a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you jam it down in your pocket. Pretty much going to disappear. Alright, let's see how this factory edge cuts. Got a little bit of paper here. Ooh, yeah. Nice and smooth. That's sharp stuff. Let's try it out on some 550 paracord. Easy. And finally, let's try it out on some cardboard. Flip that over. Like butter. Once again, guys, this has been the Voidflare from Civivi. If you're looking for a great EDC knife, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.